अराउंड, ठीक है. एंड इससे पहले जो ब्रेकअप हुआ था, एनी रीजन और यू आर कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट? Compatibility issue. So people don't know this. Anyway.
मैम योर आइडल फर्स्ट डेट लोकेशन इज यॉट, है ना? तो आप ये स्पॉन्सर करोगे फर्स्ट डेट लड़के के लिए?
No, I will not sponsor.
अगर अच्छा नहीं जा रहा.
फेंक देगी गहराई. बताओ आपके कोई सवाल है अर्जव से?
What do you look in partner?
Clear communication.
Let me guess the next three. Compassion, honesty, loyalty, horny, है ना? Same? Okay. And क्यों हुआ था breakup sir if we may ask?
Basically, there was a lot of difference of opinion between us.
हाँ, शुरू में वो अच्छी लग रही होगी और फिर बदल गई, है ना?
उसकी family involved होगी.
ओ आपको अच्छा आप फैमिली से ही अच्छा ठीक है ठीक
क्या
है.
वो लड़की गुजराती थी क्या लड़की? तेजल.
I am also Gujarati.
ये
No,
sorry.
no.
Swipe left. हाँ.
জয় আছে. Very nice.
She doesn't want someone who's aggressive or dominating. Are you aggressive, Arjun?
No.
Starting.
ये अग्रेसिव था थोड़ा. सर थोड़ा सा.
आपके मान लो कि फर्स्ट डेट सेकंड डेट बहुत डेट्स अच्छी गई एंड फैमिलीज इन्वॉल्व होने की बात हो रही है, तो आप एक क्वेश्चन क्या पूछना चाहोगे जो लास्ट टाइम आप लास्ट पार्टनर से नहीं पूछ पाए?
Is she okay with joint family?
आर यू ओके विद जॉइंट फैमिली? बताओ भाई. एंड वैसे जॉइंट फैमिली, बड़ी फैमिली, यूर ओके?
No.
We can go on separately, but family is family. I have to take care of
ये बंदा बोला अग्रेसिव हो रहा है.
तो आप कह रहे हो कि फैमिली के साथ रहने की जरूरत नहीं है जॉइंट फैमिली के साथ, बट यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम.
it. I have to take care of my family.
ठीक है, ये चलेगा तेजल आपको?
Yeah, चलेगा.
ठीक है भाई, फिर तो भाई तालियां. ग्रेट भाई, so sweet.
Very nice.
One thing common among all the guys you've dated, it's amity.
And the university.
Amity University.
Amity
yes.
University.
An ideal date would be where I am not looking at the time at all.
Oh, that's very nice. That's a good answer, yeah.
Wow. But Preksha, if there could be someone in the audience जिससे आप बात करना चाहो, who would it be? पीछे तक पहुंच
Guy
गया.
at the back, the one that you spoke to last, curly hair.
कौन से?
The Spanish guy.
Spanish girlfriend वाला guy.
Sí, señor.
Emotional intelligence also.
एक क्वेश्चन.
वो बंदा चुप हो गया. Oh, that's an important point. What do you think, ma'am?
Abort.
ठीक है सर, प्रेक्षा इज आउट.
अपेक्षा बोलती है abort.
सर आपको बच्चा चलेगा या फिर थोड़ा और इन्फो देते हैं अबाउट प्रेक्षा टू
Yes.
आशीष. प्रेक्षा ने मेंशन किया है मोस्ट embarrassing adventurous thing she has done
Okay, interesting.
on a date. She made out with someone else in front of the date.
तो भाई ये सबसे Sarah, right? What does it mean?
In Hebrew, it's known princess.
Okay. Oh, smooth. Very nice.
तो स्पेनिश वाले जो सर हैं
Describe fun for us. According to you, like what's fun for you?
A lot of things. Like I'm a stylist, so I like doing a lot of photography. And I've been playing sports since I was a kid, so I like playing football, basketball, anything physical.
Okay, that brings us to the next question. क्योंकि उनका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही है आइडल फर्स्ट डेट लोकेशन, प्लेइंग बास्केटबॉल और फुटबॉल, एनीथिंग दैट इन्वॉल्व्स कार्डियो.
Oh.
I am also a runner, okay? I get up at like 5.
You run away from good boys.
Never sadly.
Yes, Vineet, you play music. You told, right? क्या? You play football.
Sarah, you would like to talk to
Favorite
Vineet?
team?
अब बाहर से लो ना भाई. हाँ, yes. लग रहा ना चिकना. हाँ.
No. So I'm a stylist mainly in men's fashion, so that is one thing that I judge a lot.
But then you can also help him improve.
A white T-shirt which जहाँ पे The Joker लिखा है, right? So
अरे क्यों घूम रहे हो भाई? नहीं. I am not into that, sir.
It's an oversized T-shirt. What's the problem? Tell me.
I can't see the bottom. I can't figure
अच्छा
it
बॉटम भी देखना है मैम को. जोकर अपना बैटमैन दिखाओ यहाँ पे आके. I had asked this guy I was seeing to chase me in the house wearing a ghost face mask. P.S.
Very
This is the
fashionable,
Scream ghost face mask. Can you tell them? Can you enlighten them, princess? What's the meaning of dark smut books? Yes.
Dark smut books. Fantasy romance where the main villains are more into like they see one woman and they
मैम वो लड़का द जोकर की टी-शर्ट पहन के आया है. क्या लोगे? और वाइट भी है. लग रहा है भूत.
In general, huh?
6'5" tech guys. Finance.
मैम 6 या 5?
She wants a 6'5" tech guy.
Finance. You don't know the meme or what? I need a. Okay, 6'5" is an exaggeration.
I know, huh? A fair point.
5'6"?
Every show, huh? He does this. Very nice. Yes, ma'am. You're saying. So, height is important to you?
Yes,
That's a deal breaker for you.
it is.
Okay, I know one person who's thoda fashionable in the show. Assuming they're single. Karthik, is Karthik in the show? Evaluate.
Rate his outfit on a scale of 1 to 10.
I would say 8.
8 is good. 8 is good, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, put effort.
Is he one of the best in the show in the room right now?
I can't see half of them, man.
You shouldn't, ma'am. 8 on 10 it's seems positive. So Karthik, would you want someone? Are you a super athletic fuckboy?
Sorry.
You've been told. Okay. Cool. Okay, take care. Are you someone who is all talk and no shit?
I've been told that. वो भी आप बोलने वाले थे.
ठीक है भाई, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अज्यूमिंग आप दोनों का ब्रेकअप हो गया, आप ऊपर उछलते हुए रोए के तो नहीं ना? बट हाँ उछलेंगे सर. ओके
I'm a cut him, so throw him in. I cut him, so